In today's video, I am going to teach you how to learn quickly using Notebooklm. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once it loads, take a moment to notice the main layout. Notebooklm is designed to help you study faster by letting you bring in trusted materials, then ask questions and generate learning outputs from those exact sources. Next, create a new notebook. On the dashboard, click the button labeled Create New. This gives you a fresh workspace for a single topic, class, project, or exam. A helpful tip is to keep one notebook per subject so your sources stay focused and your answers stay accurate. Now you will upload your sources. In the pop-up window, choose what you want to learn from. You can add PDFs, paste YouTube links, or connect files from your drive. As you add them, they populate the source panel on the left side. This panel is important because it shows exactly what Notebooklm is using to respond. For faster learning, choose high-quality sources like lecture slides, a textbook chapter, your notes, or a reliable video, rather than mixing in too many unrelated items. With your sources loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. This is where active learning happens. Type a clear question about your material, such as a concept you want explained, a summary you need, or key points you want compared. When Notebooklm answers, it includes clickable citations. Use those citations to jump back to the exact spot in your sources so you can confirm details and review the original wording. This is a great way to avoid misremembering and to study with confidence. After that, use the Studio panel on the right to generate instant learning outputs. Click Audio Overview if you want a quick listenable recap, Slide Deck if you want a structured visual summary, or Video Overview if you want a guided walkthrough. These options help you switch formats, which can make review faster and improve retention. Finally, whenever you get an answer you want to keep, click Save to Note. Saving key explanations, definitions, and summaries builds a study-ready set of notes as you go. That covers everything you need to know.